Hello, first graders. It's time for math, so you can pause the video and I'll wait till you get page 269 and 270 out of your packet. And so we're going to start at the top. Number one, it's just, we're going to count some money. And so I'll just need you, my helpers, to help me out here. They gave me 2 quarters, and we know that a quarter is worth, that's right, 25 cents. So I have 25 and another quarter, so 50. And they gave me 3 nickels, and I know that a nickel is worth 5 cents. You're right. So I have 5, 10, and 15 cents. So I have my 50 cents here and my 15 cents here. And we know that all together that equals 25, 50, 55, 60, 65 cents all together. And then we just have a couple new concepts for today. We're going to be adding 3 numbers together. And so we're not going to change anything that we've been learning, but we'll just start. We'll go 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 2 is 9. So we'll just add all the way down. We'll keep our 1s in our 1s column and our 10s in our 10s column, and we'll put a 9 here. Notice that we're not going to have to carry anything over, and then we'll count our 10s column. So we have 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So super easy. They just gave us that one problem there just to kind of see how we can do. And then the next one, I didn't write it up here, but it says circle 1 dozen balls. And we know that a dozen is 12. That's right. So we're going to circle 12 balls here. Just like a dozen eggs, we're going to circle a dozen of the balls here. And then we'll move down to the next section. It just says write the missing numbers. And we have that here. So how are we going to know 5 plus what equals 11? And it's okay to use your hands or your number line or whatever you need if you need to touch something. So 5, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We know that's 6 fingers. So we'll put our 6 here. And then I just threw a subtraction problem up there for you, and you can use your number line or a ruler if you have that at home. So we'll know that if we have 8, we'll have to go 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And that is also 6. So we'll put our 6 there. So 8 minus 6 equals 2. And then you do have quite a few to do on your own, but you guys are just professional at that. And then the bottom section, it's just asking you to count before and after the numbers by 5. And so I just threw this one up here for you. So if we just act like it's not 120, let's just say it's 20. Let's count by 5. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20. So then we know that 5 before 20 is 15. But then we have to remember that it's 120, so we need it to be 115. And then if we start 15, 20, 25. So we know that the next one is going to be 25, but it has to be 125. So don't forget to add your 1 back in. And then there's 2 other ones that you have to do on that side. But on page 270, we're going to be working again on our carrying right here. So we'll start there. Number 1, 76 plus 14. So we have to start with the 1s column. Remember, always start with the 1s column. So 6 plus 4, we know is 10. So we'll put our 0 there, but our 1 has to go up here. So 1 plus 7, we know is 8, plus 1 more is 9. Great job. So 90. And then we'll try this one up here, and it does give you a little box to be able to carry your 1 over. So we know 2 plus 8, that equals 10. We'll put our 0 here and our 1 up there. And then we know that 1 plus 5 is 6. And then 6 plus 3 equals 9. Great job. And then we'll work on the next part, number 2. I'm just going to read some questions out loud to you. So if you need to at any time, pause the video. So we'll start with number 2 and question A. So question A, which of the 3 birds that I read to you is the shortest? Is it the robin, the hawk, or the woodpecker? So for these questions, make sure you're looking at the graph. So is it the robin, is it the hawk, or is it the woodpecker? Which one is the shortest? And B, which of the three birds that I read to you is the longest? Is it the roadrunner, the robin, or the woodpecker? And remember to pause the video if you need. So which is the longest? The roadrunner, the robin, or the woodpecker? And C, which bird is longer than the roadrunner? So look at the roadrunner. How long is that one? Which one is longer? Is it the woodpecker, the robin, or the hawk? Okay. And letter D, which bird is 1 yard long? So look at your graph and see which bird is 1 yard long. Is it the robin, the hawk, or NH on your paper? It stands for not here. So if the answer isn't there, just color in the not here bubble. So which bird is 1 yard long? Is it the robin, the hawk, or the answer is not here? And the last one, E, which bird is shorter than 1 foot? Is it the robin, the hawk, or the answer is not here? So remember, if it's not here, you just circle an NH. But which bird is shorter than 1 foot? Is it the robin, the hawk, or the answer is not here? All right, first graders, that's everything for math today. Work super hard. Can't wait to see your work and can't wait to see you guys back here. Have a good day.